habit to keep reminding ourselves of the various sacrifices they made while raising us. How much you love and care for your parents. Parenthood is tough 24-hour job. No pay, no day off. Sometimes it is unappreciated, but yet resignation is impossible. Parents are created by God to bring love, joy, happiness, and caring into this world.
Kung i-invite mo namin yung parents with kids na mag-dance, sayo po kayo. Parents and kids, sayo niyo yung mga mami at daddy nyo. Sayo niyo sila. Yes! Dito tayo sa stage. Kids, sayo niyo yung mami at daddy sa stage. Dito sila sa stage. Yes, sayo niyo yung mami at daddy sa stage. Go, go! Sayo, sayo! Yes!
A message from one of our dancers. I love my parents, yes I do, for they are the one that has been there for me too. I love my parents, yes I do. There is no way we can ever repay our parents for all they do for us. Nevertheless, we must